Chuck, are you sure this is gonna work? It gotta be, dude. Come on, obviously. Well, yeah, rope. Okay, hold on still, brother. Wait, why am I the one that has to be tied up, huh? Because I don't want to go. Okay. Okay. You look horrible. Just drop me out. Drop me off already. Okay. Ah! Ah! Oh. Oh. I made it. I just tried to. Beep, 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 beep. Oh shoot! Beep. Chuck! Beep, beep, beep. Chuck! Wait, what? What's going on? Wait, iceberg? It's beeping, dude. Beep, 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 beep. Get me up already. Okay. How do you got here that fast? I just noticed that there was a door in the back. Okay, let's go. Come on, let's go. Dude, yeah, we're still trapped. Come on! I'll just use my ice way. Come on, let's do it. Go! Come on, go! Hurry, dude! Okay, we're back in. So you guys got the jewelry, huh? Yeah. So he's tired out. Yes. Was it difficult? Absolutely. Well, looks like we need only one more. I hope we find it. I'm already getting tired of this. Me too. Well, guys, looks like this golden beauty is ours. Yeah. Looks like we are finally history, boys.